Good. One more time, modern.
C A T K E T cat.
Show me your hand. 1, 2. Show me your hand. 1, 2. What word is it? What word is it? What word is it? How do you spell fat? F. Fat. Okay. Show me your hand. Teacher, let me try. I call. BR, come on. BR, can you uncrumble the word fat? Right hand. Let's go. Wow. How do you spell the word fat?
F A T fat.
Choose one. Wow. Okay. Show me your hand. Why you sit down? Teacher, let me try. Teacher choose. Lisha, come on. Lisha, ready? Let's go. Good จ้า Lisha, can you spell?
R A T
L.
rat.
One more time.
R A T rat.
Good job. Choose one.